Good morning. Today we are on lesson 17 for math. We're going to do just the first problem set page. So I'd like you to take a picture of this one and upload it to Seesaw when you're done. We're going to estimate the length of each item by using a mental benchmark. Then measure the item using feet, inches, or yards. So mental benchmarks, I'm going to go over those right now. When you think of an inch, I want you to think of a mental benchmark being the top part of your thumb right there. From the knuckle up is about an inch, okay? When you think of feet, a mental benchmark could be like my water bottle. That's about a foot. And when you think of a yard, let me find something. You could think about a guitar. Okay, so if you want to know how many yards something is, think of how many guitars you think you could fit in it. Okay, so I'll do the first one. The width of a door. I would guess my door back there is about, 8 water bottles. So I would write that right in the box, 8 water bottles. Okay, so I'm doing it in feet. So I'd finish writing water bottles. That's going to take me forever, so I'll stop. Okay, so my estimation would be 8 feet. And remember, FT is an abbreviation for feet. And then I would get a ruler and measure it. Okay, the next one, width of the whiteboard or chalkboard. You can just use any board or picture frame you have in your house. Height of a desk, you can use a table. The length of a desk, you can use a table. And the length of a book. All right, so those are your benchmarks. Inches can be your finger. A water bottle can be a foot, and a guitar could be a yard. Reach out to me if you have any questions. Just this one page, then upload the picture today. Thank you.